Hello everyone, welcome to SuMON student presentation. Today we have Naaysha with us and she is going to present a problem from fortnight 17 of level 2. This problem is about tournaments and team score. There are 3 teams and they have scored some points and you have to figure out the minimum number of games played by a team. So let's get started.
So the problem I have chosen is from a championship where each win gets 2 points, a loss gets 0 points, and a draw gets 1 point. 3 teams are playing and the score is given below. T1 gets 17 points, T2 gets 14 points, and T3 gets 11 points. We have been asked to find the minimum number of games to be played by T1. In the solution, I have distributed this in 2 cases. The case 1 is where I have maximized the wins. So the wins would be 8 and the draw is 1. The score would be 8 times 2 plus 1 times 1, which is 17. This is a possible case. Therefore, the total games are 9. Case 2 is lesser wins and more draws. The wins are 7, so the draws would be 3. Here again, the score is 7 times 2 plus 3 times 1, 17. This is a possible configuration. Therefore, the total games is 10. If we continue making the wins lesser and increasing the draws, we'll get more games. Like in the next case, which is 6 and 5, we'll get the total games as 10. If we reduce the wins and increase the draws, the games will increase. So the minimum number of games played by T1 is 9. This configuration works because T1 has a draw, so one of the other teams with an odd score must also be having a draw, which in this case is T3. So T3 has 5 wins. It may have 5 wins, and those wins are against T2. And T2 may have 7 wins, and those wins are against T3. Therefore, in all, T3 would have played 13 games and T2 would have played 12 games. So we can conclude that when T1 plays 9 games, T2 would play 12 games and T3 would play 13 games. This is a valid configuration and therefore the minimum games T1 has played is 9.
I hope you enjoyed the video. There are multiple strategies from which this question can be tackled and it can be solved. So share your ideas in the comments and we will also discuss those ideas in the comments. At SuMON, we try to inculcate these kind of problems which provoke their critical thinking and make them to think independently rather than a formula-based approach. So join us to solve more interesting problems like this. We will meet you in the next SuMON student presentation. Thank you everyone. Bye.